out here. Cars and Coffee, Sac Edition. Got a food truck. People are still rolling in. VW bus. Man, I think it's so sick though. Right? That is hella cool. This thing is super clean. Man, this thing is so cool. C5. Type R. The carbon fiber hood. Stands, fam. The M4. Ooh, M5. Yeah. Super clean. Look at the interior on it. Supra? Is this Supra? There you go. So sick. Yeah, that thing's clean. Yeah, that thing's so nice. Wow. That's so cool. Look at this though. There's a drawing of it.
Oh, nice.
Man, you got a picture book, all the work he did. That is way cool. This thing got a awesome engine in it. I don't know what that is, but
I love a scrapbook.
this thing is actually really cool. Like, he's put so much little details into it. ELS 430. That is so sick. That is so sick. Yeah, these have a fridge in the back.
Look at that.
I know, it's all the little VIP stuff. All this stuff's hella hard to get. Tail lights. I think it's so sick. Alright, I gotta check out these ones. There's no one over here now. I was waiting for this to clear out so I could look at these. This thing. On the welds. A brand new vinyl top, it looks like. Oh man. Yeah, those wheels are sick. This car is amazing. I think I saw this one at the Sac Autorama, babe. The license plate, we pour. Spent all my money on my truck. This thing is cool. Yeah. 62 bubble top. This thing is so nice. On the 4Gs? Yeah. Look at the purple one. See the purple one? It's got purple flames. Purple flames. Oh, they're like color changing. You see it change to like blue. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but changes to blue. Go over here, it's purple. Wow. Look how shiny it is. Everything is so shiny. US mayonnaise? Yeah. Wow. This thing is... Another one. US mag. It's the same wheels that I have, but it's a polished version of them. Beautiful split bumper. Oh yeah, you get it way better. That is so cool. Oh. Okay. LS2 swap? That is cool. I like the airbox. Wow. So nice. Beautiful Camaro, drop top. Yep. Drops car club. Amazing. White one? White convertible? Look, babe, this one got that gauge in the hood. Look at that. That is cool. You don't see that too often. Okay, yeah. Definitely the coolest section so far. Oh man, look at these wheels, they're like hidden in there. That thing is... Wow. That one's crazy now. GT3 is about to start up. This thing is sick. GT3, bro. Nice. Can we see the engine in the back under the glass? Hella nice in here. Weird little window. Cougar. Nova, 74. Oh yeah, this thing is sick. This thing is sick. And it's got a cage.
Yeah, dude, it was sick. It's not like my scissors.
Can't get enough of this Ferrari. Chevelles that are pulling up. What? I don't know. We'll see. The red one on the Forgiatos? That's hella clean. And the yellow one on 4Gs too? Sheesh.